overall is good. Room clean and comfortable, satisfied with their services. I got my earlier flight, left at 4 a.m. in the morning and they provided us each set of breakfast. Thanks a lot, definitely will back again. Great. We are very impressed with the service. Staffs are very friendly, and breakfast is great. The room is clean and we love it. If we have a chance, we definitely choose to stay here again. The best hotel so far I had in a go to 5-star. 1. Breakfast buffet is excellent, a lot of choices served and you can have the taste of Taiwan on the breakfast served. I had xiao long bao and passion fruit. 2. Room is very spacious and it has a bathtub as well. It's clean. 3. Staffs are helpful and friendly. 4. Location is close to MRT, a walking distance and the station from the airport is just a 6-stop away. 5. If I'll go back to Taipei, I'll stay here again. Great stay. The room was really big for us and it's very clean and comfortable. Staff are very kind and helpful. It might not so near to the city but it's good for those that need a stay for early morning flight. Worth the money and we'll come back again. Great location with 5 minutes walk to metro station that connect directly to airport. Worth value of money. Nice room and close to MRT station. Nice service and room. But hope hotel can prepare breakfast box for traveler. If our flight is too early. I was check out about 5:30 a.m., so no time to enjoy their breakfast. Good service. Hotel located on the way to airport but near to the MRT. Pros. Hotel located on the way to airport but near to the MRT. Cons. Not much things to do around hotel. Super ball is super. You will really love this hotel. We stayed and really enjoyed it. My family and I stayed in room 1201 just last weekend. Right from when you get in is great. It's even really close to the MRT. Client service was awesome, they are so polite. Breakfast was good. The room is spacious compared to most hotels in Taipei, very clean. I promise you, you will love it. It's worth the money. We really enjoyed it. We will definitely go back when we go to Taiwan. Good. Very good location and customer service. Receptionists are very kind enough to heat up my food at night and was very helpful on luggage storage before checkout time and even after checking out. The location is around a 10 minutes walk, including the traffic waiting time, from the nearest MRT station named Taishangihe.